Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to enable backup in Google Photo. Write in the comments, did you succeed in my way of doing it or not? I will definitely read and reply. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Google Photos on our devices. And then in the upper right corner, we need to go and sign in to our Gmail account. Now we need to scroll down to Google Photos settings. And then we have a tab called Backup. And in order for it to enable Google Photo Backup, we need to drag this slider to the right. After that, we were able to activate it and turn it on. Now this is where all of our photos will be copied to Google Photos. But if you help them like this video, then you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write in the comments, did it work in my way or not? I'll read and reply to everyone. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.